Hi, everybody. Welcome to Business 145, Business Communications. We're going to have 8 weeks of communicating. You're going to learn in this course how to communicate by writing different types of business memos and communications, and you're going to learn in our live meetings about communicating verbally. You'll get lots of time to practice, so it's really important that you show up at live meetings whenever possible. Those meetings will be held on Thursdays at either 7 a.m., and if you can't make that one, we'll do it again at 5 p.m. That's Pacific time, beginning June 16th, every other week. Also in this class, you'll have assignments and Learn-Its, of course. You'll also have a book. We'll be using Yellow Dig similar to the same way we used it before, only we'll be talking about communication topics. I really look forward to seeing you Thursday at our first live meeting, and welcome back.